Mama, I know. We're so excited.
So excited for this week's episode.
We are knee deep in a lift kit install, the Metal Club 3.5-inch lift kit. Unfortunately, it isn't quite ready for this Sunday's episode, so we have some good content to show you on the white TJ.
Let's do it. Check it out, guys. Who is excited for this one? This is one of the most comprehensive lift kits we have ever installed. Ever. Never ever.
And the LJ gets it.
And the LJ is gonna get it. So stick around, wait until we post this. It might take us a little bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Garage Couple on this week's episode. Anyways. Let's install this train horn on our Jeep Wrangler TJ. We're gonna make this separate from the main horn. This is just, that special somebody cuts you off or honks at you. You don't want to bring a little butter knife to the gunfight. Now this is a 12-volt train horn, and it's really easy to wire up. It has a little air compressor with positive and negative grounds, and that's about it. It comes with a little mounting bracket, and let's just go ahead and find a space for it and wire it up. If you haven't done so, check out our more recent episode on installing this aux beam controller as well as the aux beam switch pods. Let's do it.
Now, for those of you wondering, we got this horn from Temu. They have all sorts of gadgets that we've kind of incorporated into our Jeep life. So this horn is no different. Go ahead and put on some spade connectors.
This is some extra wire we have from a different project. So now let's just see if it works.
I'm gonna go ahead and test it out.
This is just a little compressor.
All right.
Now let's connect the horn to it and see what kind of jam we make with that.
Connecting the horn.
And let's do that again.
Okay, I'm a little worried.
Dogs are not too happy about me, for sure. Just gonna tap it to the battery and see what kind of business we get ourselves into. So it might be backwards, in which case. That is amazing. The dogs hate me, but that is amazing. So I'm gonna just use this existing hole. I'm gonna just make it a little bit bigger. This is how we're gonna mount it. Well, Ryobi for you guys. Alrighty.
Alrighty, change of plans. We added another hole a little further back.
I'm sensing some sass here.
Using a 10mm socket, you're gonna tighten.
Now we're gonna drill a hole for the little compressor. I wonder if I can just put this down here. We might not actually have to drill a hole. Let's see. So the way this compressor bolts on, it has a little slot. So you go ahead and pre-tighten your nut here, and then go ahead and slide it in.
The ground is gonna go here. It's the black wire.
Let's go ahead and put on one of those loops.
Only thing left is to connect the red wire, and ours is red and black because we had to extend it to our fuse panel that we installed on our last episode.
So I'm gonna just be using another 10 amp circuit here. So let's go ahead and tighten that now. Perfect. Pull test. It passes. Who's ready to hear that horn? Let's do some shots with the hood open and hood closed. But as you remember, we have to have the engine on before this panel starts to work. So let's do that now. So I'm standing about 20-25 feet away from the Jeep. The hood is closed, everything's closed. Ollie, why don't you press the button? That is crazy. That is so loud. I am so happy to have it. Well, there you have it, guys. That is how to install an air horn in your Jeep Wrangler. This thing is like $5 to $20 or something like that. I think it was on sale for under 10 bucks. Actually pretty crazy for $10. It's so loud. It actually sounds proper. You could probably find the same thing on Amazon for like 30 to 40 bucks. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I never was a big fan of these, but honestly lately I've been wanting something more, just something more out there than the regular horn. So there we have it. What do you think, Ollie?
It is pretty loud.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow. And if you want to see any of the products used in this video, check the description below. See you next time.